In this video, I'm going to show you how to add visuals to your videos in Descript quickly and easily, whether you're a beginner or looking to streamline your editing process. By the end of this guide, you'll be adding visual elements like a pro and saving yourself time. If you're new to Descript, this is the all-in-one audio and video editing software that allows you to create high-quality content with ease. But what makes Descript stand out is how seamlessly it integrates text-based editing with video and audio. You can literally edit your video by editing the transcript. But today we're focusing on visuals. First, let's get into the basics of adding visuals. Once your video is uploaded, you'll want to head over to the timeline. In the timeline, you'll see your video and audio tracks, but what you might not have noticed is that there's a section dedicated to adding visuals. To add an image, simply click on the track where you want your visual to appear. In the upper left corner of the screen, you'll see an upload button. Click that and you can upload any image or video that you'd like to add to your project. This could be a logo, a screenshot, or anything else that complements your video. Once your media is uploaded, drag it into the timeline where you want it to appear. The great thing about Descript is that you can also resize and position visuals with ease. If you need to make a visual appear smaller or larger, simply click on the image in the timeline and drag the corners to resize. You can also drag the visual around to position it where it makes the most sense in your video. Now, let's talk about transitions. In Descript, you can add transitions between visuals or between your video and the visual to make your edit smooth and professional. To add a transition, simply click between two clips in the timeline and select Add Transition from the options that pop up. Descript gives you a lot of options here, including fades and wipes. Transitions help make your video flow more naturally and keep your audience engaged. Another cool feature in Descript is the ability to animate your visuals. For example, you can make your image fade in or out, or have it slide in from the side. This is great for keeping things dynamic. To animate a visual, click on the image and choose the animation option you want. It's a simple but powerful way to enhance your videos. If you're adding text to your visuals, Descript has an easy way to do that as well. You can add titles, captions, and callouts right over your images or video clips. Simply click on the visual you're working with, then select the text option. This lets you add your text, customize the font, size, color, and positioning, and even animate the text if you want to get creative. Now don't forget to review your video. You'll want to make sure that all the visuals are in the right places, are properly timed, and that the transitions and animations flow smoothly. One of the best things about Descript is that it allows you to do all of this quickly and without having to dive into complex editing tools. If you want to try out Descript for yourself, you can start using the software completely for free. And if you sign up through the link below, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial with additional bonuses, so don't miss out. Trust me, once you start using Descript, you'll see just how easy it is to take your video editing to the next level. To recap, we've covered how to upload visuals, resize and position them, add transitions, animate visuals, and incorporate text. And with Descript, all of this is possible with minimal effort, making it perfect for anyone from beginners to experienced editors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the link in the description for your free extended trial of Descript. Get started today and take your video editing skills to the next level.